I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. Well, I scratched in the dirt for a while. I gained all that I knew for a price. In the end, what I found was nowhere near as nice. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. Though I fought with my claws and teeth, though I elbowed my way to a seat, there be no kind of peace like you beside me. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Nothing's as it seems in the photo. Nothing is as sweet going solo. Nowhere I can ramble or roam could change my mind, could slow my coming home. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. Oh, I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And we're here at Moraine State Park. This is a little semi-secret honey spot that I like to use. Don't get to come here a whole lot. It's been a couple of years since I've been here with the two-person doghouse blind. It is 55 on October 15th, 2022. So we're sitting here all set up. I got the Shinobi monitor, Z9, 150 to 600 Sigma on FTZ2, using a Benro tripod, 504X fluid head. Carried a lot of crap out here. The GoPro is sitting on my thought I seen something. GoPro is sitting on my Getso tripod. Then I have an external microphone hooked up to my field recorder, Zoom F2. The mic is sitting right outside so that it doesn't have anything of me in here in it. And it's on a 32-bit float, so if anything gets picked up, I should be able to get a good sound of it. So hopefully we see something. Anything. So it appears we have a raccoon friend to join us. Looks like he's just sniffing around for some foods. Maybe he'll get down towards the lake and we'll get a nice little reflective shot of him. I'm going to say anything in the video today is probably going to end up being in 4K crop. Also in DX. So a few minutes ago there was a drake wood duck sitting out there in the leaves in the far end of the pond. Got a couple photo and video of him, and he was behind a whole bunch of leaves and brush between me and him. So when I went out to get the GoPro tripod to bring it back inside the blind, I went a couple feet over from me here and bent down a bunch of the shrubs in the hopes of getting a better shot, because I really want a nice wood duck drake photo. I was just like chasing it for a while if you've been watching the channel for a minute. So I come back in the blind after doing that, and it seems he's vanished. But I didn't hear him fly away, I didn't hear anything splashing, so he's still over there somewhere, maybe just in the weeds or the grass, hanging out after hearing me moving some sticks around, so hopefully he comes back out. Just took a little walk around the side of the pond, see if I could see them wood ducks or something. There's a power line over there that kind of goes across the trail that comes back here, and I thought maybe I'd see hopefully like a deer or something on it, but was not to be. I gotta say, even if I don't see a whole lot out here, super relaxing to finally be out and about in the morning. Something I've been wanting to do for quite some time. Just takes all the stress right off of life. Especially with all these gorgeous colors of the trees going on right now. Man. About the only thing that could make this better is if the ducks would come back out. It's been about 20 minutes, they still haven't been out. So really not the outcome we were looking for here, this little pond here at Moraine State Park, but as mentioned earlier in the video, it is a gorgeous day. We did see a raccoon and a wood duck, but that was really about it. And this kind of just shows how difficult wildlife photography can be. Even if you have the best intentions and you're prepared the best you can, sometimes nature just doesn't want to cooperate and be there for you. So hopefully you enjoyed this a little bit, and if you did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below if you've ever had any good luck out in your blinds, what you've seen, and until then, happy shooting. I wish you the best of luck. Hopefully you're going to have more than I did. See you out there.
Why do you leave me lonely when you know I'm bad at being alone? Stuck in the past.